number 7. The functions f and g, I see, are defined below. X is greater than or equal to 0. Which of the following equations displays as a constant or coefficient? Oh, these words confuse everybody. But once you see what they mean, it's so easy. But you have to see what they mean, that you can see the number in black and white as one of the numbers in the equation. So, and in this case, the number you're looking for is the maximum. So let's start with f of x. All right, f of x equals 27 times 0.2 times 0.2, oops, 2. And then the exponent is x minus 1. And this is a little funny. I can't type x minus 1 as an exponent. Every time I type the minus, it goes back down to the main level, not the exponent level. My trick here is forget the x, just do the minus 1, and then put the x in later. I know it's such a little thing, but I've seen a lot of students get frustrated by that. All right, so let's make sure I typed it correctly. 27 times point. Oh, see, I didn't. I put my 0 in the wrong spot. All right, that's a little bit better. So the maximum value when x is greater than or equal to 0. So I'm only interested in the right-hand side of the y-axis where x is greater than or equal to 0. And I can see that from the y-intercept, and Desmos shows you where it is if you click on it, which is really nice. Here's the y-intercept. We are only going down from there. So in the area that x is greater than or equal to 0, the maximum value is 27. It never gets bigger, right? So the question is 27 one of the numbers in my equation? So I can see that the max equals 27, and that 27 is displayed, is like visible. That's literally what they mean in the equation. Yes, it is. All right, so we got 1 is correct. We can at least get that b and d out as options, but I do have to decide for the g of x. So let's just hide f of x for a minute here. G of x equals 27 times 0.25. And the exponent is x plus 2. I know it's weird, but I'm going to write the plus 2 first and then put in the x. It looks similar to the last one, where we're going to start at the y-axis where x is greater than or equal to 0. This is where x is equal to 0. And I can see when x gets bigger, we are moving to the right. We never go higher. So the y value never goes higher, never goes up. 1.688 is the maximum here. And that is not 27. That is not 0.25. That is not 2. It is not any of the numbers in this equation. So we're going to say no for Roman numeral 2. And our answer is A.